So welcome back. So we've created all our variable types, and now we're just gonna write our formula, which was A is equal to principal 1 plus R divided by N to the power of N times T. So just remember that. So we created a variable called amount total is equal to principal times 1 plus R divided by N to the power of N times T. Okay, so we have some errors here because I remember R, it has to be in decimal points. So we have to convert rate into decimal points. I'm just going to create a new variable called double percent rate is equal to rate divided by 100. So when the user inputs 5%, 5, we're going to divide it by 100 and put it into percent rate. So we can turn it into 0.05. So we're going to put percent rate here, divided by n, which is there, to the power of n times t. So we're almost there, but to use power, we have to use the math class. So math class will be math, capital M, dot pow. And when you do that, something should pop up. Dot POW. Here it is. As you can see, double A, double B, A, comma B. This is showing A to the power of B, and we need an example, power of N times T. So I'm just going to comment this out, and then I'm going to put math.pow here. And just want to make it simple. Make sure you have all your opening brackets and closing brackets. Put a comma here. Okay. In computer programming, when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, when you have 4 open brackets, you need to make sure that you have 4 closing brackets. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. That's a common error, but it takes experience to practice. I think everything looks good. I'm also going to do just one more thing called accumulated interest. Which is amount total minus principal. Because I want to know how much accumulated interest has been accumulated that's not included in the principal. So that's why I wrote that there. So now I can just do some simple print statements and see how it goes. The compound interest is amount total. You might want to put in $sign. And system.out.println, the accumulated interest is awesome. And if you want to make it fancier, you may want to put in some results. So at the moment, when we run this program, okay, everything looks good. Enter the principal amount 5,000.00. This is a double, make sure it's .00. Enter. This is being inputted into the principal variable. In an actual program, when you run with GUI, which is graphical user interface, this would not be shown there. So we're just doing basic simple program. This is showing there here. 5%, 5.00, 12 times, int, so we don't need the decimal points, and 10. Also, we actually got 8,235, which is the right amount from memory. Let's double check this. 5,000, 5, 12, 10, and we actually got 8,235, 8,235. And just when compound interest minus 5,000, which is principal, this is how much accumulated interest has occurred. Awesome, the program runs. Now I just want to teach you a recap of the print statements, how to print these into the program. It's very easy. You just have to go, we'll create it here. So we just got results. SYSO at principal. So we'll put results here actually, because we want to print it. At principal of just add principal, very easy. System, put out print line. At rate of, since it's going to be a percentage, so we're just going to go rate and plus percent. Compounds per year. Which is N. And last one we have T, number of years. So here are simple print statements. Let's give this a try. I'm going to run this. Hello Dickson, this program is going to calculate your interest rate. Good, but it's upon an extra line. Just might want to fix this. You can see I put an extra dot there. Let's run it again. 5,000, 5% into the compounds 12 and 10. See, results at principal of 5,000, 5%, compounds per year 12, number of years 10. So you just might want to fix those mistakes. Just put a semicolon there. Sometimes it's easier to fix things once the program has been printed. So added a semicolon there. 12 looks good. Maybe put this back. Spacebar and put this here. Run it one more time just for you to see. 5,000. So enter the principal amount 5,000. Enter the rate of interest 5%. 12, 10, and we get the final product. As you can see, I fixed all these. So it's been a long tutorial, but just give this a try, and practice makes perfect. Coding is always about practice. If it doesn't work the first time, you just have to go back and read each line carefully and make sure everything is correct. So give it a try, and I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.